Tonight, singing live, Martin Wright is Elton John.
Not like I'm nervous starting it off or anything.
Why can't I lie? No more of your darkness, and all my pictures, yeah, seem to fade to black and white. I'm growing tired, and time stands still before me. Frozen here on the ladder of my life. It's much too late to see myself from falling. I took a chance and changed it with life, but you misread my meaning when I met you.
You all know the words, I want you to sing the chorus, come on.
Closed the door and left me blind. If I lie, whoa, don't let the sun go down on me. Although I search myself, it's always someone else I see. I just allow a fragment of your life to wander free. Oh, but I lose it everything. It's like the sun going down on me. I can't find water out of empty life, but see me once and see the way I feel. Don't discard me just because you think I'm in your heart. But these cuts I have, oh, they need love to help them heal. Whoa, don't let the sun go down on me. Although I search myself, it's always someone else I see. I just allow a fragment of your life to wander free. Oh, but I lose it everything. It's like the sun going down on me. Just allow a fragment of your life to wander free. But losing everything is like the sun going down on me.
Give it up for Mr. Elton John. If you want to vote for Elton, put your hand in the air and the bucket's going round.
Crying in the rain. If I wait for cloudy skies, you won't know the rain from the tears in my eyes. You'll never know that I still love you so. Only heartache remains. I'll do my crying in the rain. Someday when my crying's done, I'm gonna wear a smile and walk in the sun. I may be a fool, but till then, darling, you'll never see me complain. I'll leave my crying in the rain. I'll leave my crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain.
If you want to vote for the Everly Brothers, put your hand in the air. Get your cash ready.
How you do? I see you met my faithful hand. It's just a little down because when you knocked, we thought you were the kind man. Don't get strung up by the way they look, but judge you by its cover. I'm not much a man by the light of day, but by night I'm one hell of a lover. I'm just a sweet transvestite. I'm transsexual, Transylvania. Let me show you around, maybe play you a sound. You look like you're both pretty groovy. Or if you want something visual that's not too abysmal, we could take in an old Steve Reeves movie.
I'm glad we caught you at home. Could we use your phone? We're both in a bit of a hurry.
Right.
We'll just say where we are, then go back to the car. We don't want to be any worry.
Well, you got caught with a flat. Well, how about that? Well, baby, don't you panic. By the light of the night, it'll all seem alright. I'll get you a satanic mechanic. I'm just a sweet transvestite from transsexual Transylvania. Why don't you stay for the night? Or maybe a bite? I could show you my favorite obsession. I've been making a man with blonde hair in a town, and he's good for relieving my tension. I'm just a sweet transvestite from transsexual Transylvania. I'm just a sweet transvestite from transsexual Transylvania. So come up to the lab. Let's see what's in the slab. I see you shiver with anticipation. But maybe the rain is really to blame. So I'll remove the cause. But not the symptom. It's astounding. Time is fleeting. Madness takes its toll. But listen closely. Not for very much longer. I've got to keep control. I remember during the time warp, drinking those moments when the bladders would hit me and the void would be calling. Let's do the time warp again. Let's do the time warp again. It's a jump to the left and then a step to the right. With your hands on your hips, you bring the knees in high. It's a private love. You try to say let's do the time warp again. Let's do the time warp again. It's so dreamy, of fantasy free me, so you can't see me. No, not at all. In another dimension, with your voyeuristic attention, well secluded. I see. With a bit of a mind flip, you're into the time slip, and nothing can ever be the same. Being spayed as a sensation, like you're under sedation. Let's do the time warp again. Let's do the time warp again. I was walking down the street just having a drink when a snake of a kind gave me an evil wink. He shot me up, he took me by surprise. He had a pickup truck and the devil's eyes. He stared at me and I felt a change. Time meant nothing, never won again. Let's do the time warp again. Let's do the time warp again. It's just a jump to the left and then a step to the right. Move your hands on your hips. You bring your knees in tight. Push the pelvic thrust. And really try to say let's do the time warp again. Let's do the time warp again.
Oh, give it up for Neil Curtis as the Rocky Horror Show.
Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that will make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. Need some distraction, oh beautiful relief. Memories see from my veins. Let me be empty, oh weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark cold hotel, and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here. You're so tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and thieves at your back. The storm keeps on twisting, you keep on building the life that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference, escaping one last time. It's easier to believe
Give it up for Adele.
I searched deep there, and he shows them pearly white, just a jackknife as old Mackie babe, and he keeps it out of sight. When the shark bites with its teeth, babe, scarlet billows start to spread, and single love snow with old Mackie, babe. So there's never, never, never a trace of red. No on the sidewalk on Sunday morning, lies a body, just a oozing life, and someone sneaking round that corner. Could that someone be Mac tonight? There's a tugboat down by the river, don't you know? A cement bag just drooping on down. That cement said it's for the weight, dear. Five will get you 10. Mackie's back in town. Hear about Louis Miller? He disappeared, babe, after drawing out all his hard-earned cash. And now Mackie spends just like a sailor. Could it be our boy's done something rash? Well, Jenny Diver, come on now. Oh, Suki Tawdry, look how much bloody Linya. And old Lucy Brown, oh, that line falls on the right. That is Mackie's back in town. Come on now, come on. Oh, Jenny Diver, oh, Suki Tawdry, look how much bloody Linya. And old Lucy Brown, yes, that line falls on the right. Now that Mackie, come on now, back in town. You. Look at old Mackie's back, thank you.
Give it up for Bobby Darin.
Race across the ground, and the clamour of the wheels, as they spun around and round, he galloped into marketplace, his badge upon his chest. His name was Ernie, and he drove the fastest milk cart in the West. Now Ernie got the widow, a lady known as Sue. She was all alone at Lindy Lane at number 22. Said she was too good for him, she was naughty, brown as sheep. But Ernie got his cocoa there 3 times every week. They called him Ernie! And he drove the fastest milk car in the West. She said she liked to bathe in milk. He said, all right, sweetheart. And when he finished work one night, he loaded up his car. She said, you want it pasteurised, because pasteurised is fed. She said, Ernie, I'll be happy if he comes up to his chest. And that tickled old Ernie. And he drove the fastest milk car in the West. Now Ernie had a rival, an evil-looking man called Tootin' Ted from Teddington, and he drove the baker's van. He tempted you there with his treacle tarts and his tasty old milk bread. But Ernie had lovely boys, his very near turned red. She swooned at his macaroni, said, you treat me right, we'll have hot rolls every morning and crumpet every night. And then he spooned in the cake that his wicked way. All Ernie had to offer was a pint of milk each day. Poor old Ernie! And he drove the fastest milk car in the West. One lunchtime Ted saw Ernie's horse and car outside the door, and he drove him back to find he was still there at 4:30. And he let down from his van up through his safety course, and he went across to Ernie's car and he off kicked his horse, whose name was Trigger! And he pulled the fastest milk car in the West. Ernie rushed into the street, his coat up in his hand. He said, you want to marry Susie, you'll have to fight for her like a man. But why don't we play cards for her this year? And he replied, and just to make it interesting, we'll have a shilling on the side. Now when he dragged him to the van, front making sun, they stood there face to face, and Ted went for his gun.
But things didn't go the way Ted planned. Strawberry flavoured yogurt sent it spinning from his hand. Now Sushi ran between them and tried to keep them apart, but only pushed her aside and a rock cake coin under his arm. He looked up in face surprised at the concrete hard crust of a spare pot pipe with him in the eye and Ernie hit the dust. Poor old Ernie! And he evolved the fastest milk guy in the West. Now Ernie was only 52 and he didn't want to die. And he's gone to make deliveries in that little round in the sky where customers are angels and ferocious dogs are banned. And a man's life is full of fun in that fairy dairy land. But a woman's needs are manifold and Sushi married Ted. The strangest happened on their wedding night as they lay in their bed. Was that the trees rustling or the hinges of the gate? Or Ernie's ghostly gold tops rattling in their crate? They won't forget old Ernie, and he drove the fastest milk cart in the West. Thank you very much.
Well, give it up for Penny Hill.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take it nice and easy. We're gonna make it easy for us to fall in love. Hey baby, what's your hurry? Relax and don't you worry. We're gonna fall in love. We're on the road to romance, that's safe to say, but